Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream using Kremdensada. First, gather your ingredients: 2 packs of all-purpose cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and your chosen flavorings. Make sure your all-purpose cream is very cold, ideally chilled for at least 12 hours. This step is crucial for achieving a thick, creamy base. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and an electric mixer. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious treat. Now let's create that luscious ice cream base. Pour your 2 packs of chilled all-purpose cream into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed until it doubles in volume and forms soft peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, slowly pour in the 1 can of condensed milk while continuing to mix on a lower speed. Ensure it's fully incorporated for a smooth, sweet foundation. Finally, gently fold in your desired flavorings. With your creamy base ready, it's time to personalize your ice cream. Gently fold in any mix-ins you love, like crushed cookies, chocolate chips, or fresh fruit pieces. Be creative and add about 1 cup of your favorite additions. Once everything is well combined, transfer the entire mixture into a freezer-safe container. Make sure it has a tight-fitting lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or preferably overnight, for the best texture. After patiently waiting, your homemade Kremdensada ice cream is ready. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Dish out generous portions and add your favorite toppings, such as sprinkles, fresh fruit, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. This simple recipe yields a wonderfully creamy and delicious treat that everyone will love. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.